You know that feeling when your eyes are tired, they're puffy, and you're just over it? I have these CorneaCare Rescue self-cooling eye masks. They're my new fix, instant relief, and no fridge required. So let's just tear one open, okay? Just take it out. And if you open it up and look at it, there's a film on the back. You're going to peel that off, okay? And then you're going to place the gel side, that's the gel side. This is like a warm and fuzzy side. You're gonna place the gel side over your closed eyes. And once you do this, in seconds, it's gonna start cooling on its own. No cords, no freezer, and no waiting around. So you're gonna leave this on your eyes for about 5 to 10 minutes, and it works like magic while you relax, while you unwind, and while you take some me time. And the chill on this, it feels absolutely amazing. It's gonna melt away your puffiness, gonna melt away the dryness and the irritation. This has a hydrogel texture, and it is silky, it is soothing, and calm and refreshing. I love using these after long screen days or during allergy season, because you know what, for me, I'm a huge allergy person. This is like instant spa energy for your eyes. I like that each one, there's 6 in here, each one is individually wrapped, so I can keep a few in my bag when I want some quick relief or some me time anywhere. These CorneaCare Rescue Eye Masks don't just cool your eyes, they reset your whole mood in minutes. Highly recommend. This video was brought to you by CorneaCare.